Alright, so we were making it out, meeting up with Bob, and today we are finally making it over to Hooper Island. We are going to make it to Cambridge, fill up, and just completely adventure out. I've never been there. Bob is going to be my tour guide for the day, so we're going to jump on the bikes and make our way. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, is coming up through here, cutting over, doing a loop through there, and then coming back and going.
Yeah, I've done it. I mean, the only thing is, like, when you get up here,
you turn,
really showing it, yeah.
You turn right there into there.
That's the wildlife road, and that's the one that's underwater sometimes.
If you take this and just keep going straight, it just takes you back to Cambridge.
All right. Yeah, we'll try it. All right, let's go.
This is ridiculous. It's so beautiful. Had no idea this existed in Maryland.
I think we can stop here. What are you gonna do? Oh, sorry, I didn't see the sign. Look at that house. Oh, that's the one to have. And maybe this is the end of the road. This is wild. Yeah.
Side of the bridge, if the tide's high, you're gonna go wait or go back. It's
Yeah.
more.
Yeah. So that was a super nice dude. Sat, talked to him for way longer than expected, but it was very worth it. And now we're making our way to see what else we can find. Do a rail hop or guardrail hop into the bank, into the water on the BMX bike. Literally can't believe that there's roads like this around here. sure that's the H for helicopter if they ever need to have a emergency vehicle or emergency helicopter come here. Alright, so this is where I'm ending today's video at the visitor center at the beginning of Cambridge. Thank you so much to Bob for being my tour guide for today. I don't know, today has been such a blast. We have only experienced maybe half of what Hooperville has to offer. 100% will be back and already have a different kind of style of video that I plan on doing then. But stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button if you aren't already. It was super nice meeting Bill out down there. He is a local and just had a great time talking to him. It is already 6 p.m. We have put 141 miles on the bobber today. Still have a little bit over an hour and a half ride home, so we'll surely get to over 200. This has to be probably my favorite road area in Maryland that I've actually ever been to and did not expect it at all. Bucket list check. 100% will be back. 110% recommend you guys coming here. And who knows, maybe I will see you guys here. But if you guys have liked today's video, give me a thumbs up and of course subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below and I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, as you guys can tell, we are home and let me show you. We have made it 216.3 miles since we left this driveway this morning. That is for sure the longest day I've had on the bike.